It's kind of stealthy in here. I kind of like it.
Yeah.
It's like a stealth spa. Interesting. What is up, everybody? I am doing a tour that I do not see often, but I was really excited to message this person and get them to agree to do a tour with me. So check this out. It is kind of like an office on wheels, and we are going to actually get all of the information from the owner themselves. And guess what? They're selling this. So if you guys are interested in this, there's going to be a link in below, but we're going to talk about that a few more times. Let's get into all the details right now. Lena, what is up? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. We're showing off your rig today.
Yes.
You're a little shy, camera shy. We're gonna get it out of you. I don't care. I'm doing this. We're here now.
I'll do my best.
All right. So how long have you had this van?
So I've had this van for a couple years, and I have like a mobile spa business.
Okay.
But this van really could be great for like any kind of mobile esthetician business. We can do like barber, hairstylist, nail tech. We can do someone who does like Botox for people.
I mean, there's endless possibilities.
Endless.
Now, when I saw it, I actually thought you were a barber shop.
Yeah.
And you were like, no, that's not what I do. But I was like, I thought that's what you were. I can't cut hair because I don't have any, but I thought about doing it. It's kind of cool. So before we step inside, what van did you decide to build this on?
So this is a Ram ProMaster 2500 high roof. We've got some solar panels on the roof as well. It's got its own like electric system. Yeah, the van itself is like, as your viewers probably know, they're built very well.
Yeah.
Very reliable cars, not a whole lot of issues at all.
Okay.
Unlike the Mercedes.
Ouch. Ouch to all those Mercedes owners out there.
Just saying.
Did you do the build?
No, one of my friends did the build.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. His name is Joey Fandel.
Oh, Joey. Shout out to Joey.
Shout out to Joey. He did an amazing job.
Joey did a great job.
He did.
And do you mind if we step in?
Let's do it.
So you have a step right here. Did Joey make the step too?
Joey did, yes. Something like that. It came with the van, let's just put it that way.
All right, cool.
I'm not sure if he built it or if he got it from somewhere.
I'm going to start from the ground and work my way up because this
Okay.
is something that I don't think I've ever seen in a van.
What?
What's on the floor?
Oh, the carpet?
Yeah, it's a carpet.
Yeah.
This is legit carpet.
Yeah, so these are like carpet tiles basically, and they're really easy to install.
Okay.
I have some extra ones that will come with the van as well. You just pop them out and put the new one in.
Your idea or Joey's idea?
It was Joey's idea.
Really?
Yeah. So,
I like it. It gives like a very warm vibe to it.
Yeah, it's nice. Your feet don't get cold or anything like that. There is hardwood underneath of it, so if you guys don't want the carpet, you can easily pull it up and have hardwood floors.
Just like a house.
Yep.
Like if you don't want carpet in your house, you just rip it up.
Exactly.
Well, actually, before we step in, you actually have this slightly open. That's where your electrical system is.
Yes. So we've got battery, we have the inverter,
You got
all
everything.
the solar stuff in there.
Yeah, Joey knew it was up. Now, obviously, your builder knew what you were going to be doing out of this. So,
Yeah.
were
so
all the
he-
color tones done by you or him or collaboration?
So actually, he initially built it for. He built it down in LA for a video production company
Oh, wow.
to do on-site editing.
Another job you could do out of this.
Exactly.
Okay.
But they ended up not needing it, so he was going to sell it to a hairdresser. She ended up not needing it, so I found it on Facebook Marketplace, actually.
I'm sorry, but having a video production on site would
Yeah.
be really cool. The table's already set up, so I'm going to step in and we're going to show this now.
Let's do it.
I mean, you could have your makeup. You could have hair and makeup while somebody's editing in the corner.
Absolutely. You'd have two chairs. If you take this chair out, you can have two chairs right here and work on two people at a time.
Is this one bolted down?
No.
Okay, so
This
that
one you can remove pretty easily.
It just would take me and you because it's probably
Yes,
heavy.
It's very heavy. It's a vintage dental chair.
It's a vintage dental chair? That's
Yeah.
so cool.
Yeah. It goes up and down. You want to
Where the heck did you find this thing? It goes up and down?
Yeah, Facebook Marketplace. And then it goes.
Where's the mechanicals plugged into?
It's just it goes into the outlet.
Oh, down here. Well, at least we know your power works.
Yep.
Other than the lights being on and a refrigerator over there. This is so spacey too.
I know.
So-
you can stand up in it. How tall are you?
Yeah. I'm short. Why do you call me out like that? I tell
5'10"?
people no.
5'9"?
That might have been the sweetest thing I've ever heard in my life. I tell people 5'8", 5'9". I'm 5'9"
Okay.
when I stretch, and
You look taller than that. I'll give you that.
I don't know. Maybe I've been stretching. I don't know.
But yeah, there's plenty of head height. I think like 6 feet, maybe a little bit taller, 6'2".
Now, did he also insulate as well?
Yes, there is insulation.
And I see you have an air conditioner.
Yep. We have a heater down here that is separate from the van itself, so the van doesn't have to be on.
Right.
But it does use the gas from the van.
Right, so it's tapped into it. Perfect.
Yes, yes.
We love that. And there's a little port for it.
And then the lights are pretty cool. So we've got different levels here. So we can do like a low light, a little bit.
Make it moody.
Make it a mood. Can make it more.
Oh wow, like a white light.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Or a yellow. But I like the yellow. I feel like it makes people look prettier.
It's a little bit warmer light. It makes me look prettier for sure.
Yeah.
And that white light brings all my blemishes out. So that your remote actually controls these lights over here too?
Yep.
Wow. And the ceiling.
Yep.
Very, very cool. I see you actually have a fan actually right above me as well to exhaust anything you'd be doing in here.
Exactly.
But I talk a lot about materials, and it looks like you and Joey picked some. That's like real wood.
Yeah, this is real wood, custom cabinetry. Everything is handmade. We've got custom lighting.
Well, this guy.
This is just like a little globe.
It's a nice light. I like it a lot. It is fancy. Is that 12? Is that all plugged in, or is that a separate bulb? Like if I wanted all the lights off and just have this one on,
Yes.
can I do that? That's cool.
Yep.
You have a little sink here for whatever reason, and you actually have tanks right below, I think, right? They're really nice.
So there's just a little kind of, what do you call it? What would you call that?
Little pump with a heater.
Yes, it's just a little pump system. Nothing too fancy, but it does the job.
And you even have a refrigerator way in front.
Yes, I do. I've got like a little RV fridge here.
And that's just for you can like. You said you run your spa business or whatever out of this, so that's for guests.
Yes.
You can have waters.
Yes. In the summertime, it comes pretty clutch.
I bet, huh? So you gotta take care of your clients.
Exactly. We got a little storage down here as well.
Is this your waiting area, or is this your seat?
This is for guests. So when I see my clients in this chair and they bring guests, they can watch.
Get out of town.
Yeah.
That's actually genius.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. I like it a lot. The wall, like I said, I talk about materials. I like to get to know. I mean, you've got the heater. Yeah. You've got you pointed to the wall, which I was going to get to. Yeah. So do you know what material that is, or it's looks like a marathon weave, but I'm not sure. Yeah,
it's some kind of weave, nice fabric wall, but you can also clean it as well. I don't know exactly what it is, but it makes it look really fancy. You could
pull up to a client's house, noisy street. You could close this. You could close it all in, and you'd be comfortable as all heck because of the. I'm sorry, the color tones in here are fantastic. It's very warm and inviting.
Yes, very.
And then I also wanted to touch on this. Whoever did your windows, Joey did the windows really, really well.
Yes, he did.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, everything is just really great craftsmanship, really great quality. All my clients are just super amazed and wowed every time that they step foot in. So I think whoever is the next owner of this van, their clients are going to be very happy.
And I mean, haters are going to hate on the internet, so I beg you not to read the comments. But people
how can they hate on this? What's...
people want to hate on anything. Trust me.
Oh yeah.
People hate on me for being too excited sometimes. So people are going to ask why you are selling. Now, there's nothing wrong with it. You actually are just moving on to something else.
Yeah, I would say just life changes.
Fair enough.
I'm actually very sad to be parting with this van. It's been very reliable for me in the last couple of years. It's never done me wrong.
Is it your daily driver too?
No.
No? Mm-mm. So this is literally your office?
This is just for my business, yeah.
Yeah, that's really awesome. I honestly, if I had a little bit extra cash lying around, I'd buy it from you. I did want to ask that. What's that gold bar up there? At the top left.
I don't know what exactly he put that in for.
Okay.
I guess you could use it to hang up clothing.
You said he originally built it for editing, right?
Yes.
So I don't know.
guess maybe hanging up bags or
maybe.
something like that. Gear, drying gear.
I mean, it's there now.
Yeah. And I mean, you could live out of this van too if you wanted to. You can just maybe add, I was thinking about adding like a mattress that folds down or something like that.
Yeah, like a Murphy bed action.
Like a Murphy bed.
Yeah, you can do that.
You can modify it.
I mean, honestly, you could. You have the heater, like I said. You got the air conditioner. You could add power to it if you need to. You got the space for it. There's a lot of different things you can do in here.
Yeah.
I wouldn't change too much, to be quite honest with you.
It's pretty perfect.
It's pretty. After this tour, you don't want to sell it now.
This is hard for me. This thing is like my baby.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But
Maybe a different curtain, although it's very Lena, everybody.
you don't like this curtain?
No, I mean it's not Jarrod aesthetic, but
Wow.
I like
It
it.
is very feminine.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's oh, by the way, the seats behind me, they do swivel from what you told me.
They do. Both of the seats up front swivel.
So I guess that can be more seating area for guests.
Yeah.
All right, before we end the video, because there's nothing on the outside, there's nothing much to show. I'm not gonna go. I usually end the video on the outside. Before I end the video, do you mind shutting those back doors so us to get the whole experience of what it's like to be in your?
And the outside of the van is just white. I kind of just left it plain and simple, so that way the next person can do whatever they wanted with it.
It's kind of stealthy in here. I kind of like it.
Yeah.
It's like a stealth spa. Interesting. Oh, it's very, very like cozy.
Very cozy, yeah.
Do you have window covers? I mean, that's an easy add-on.
Yep.
Okay.
That will come with the van. Window covers. They're just like the.
Magnetic ones?
Yes, the magnetic ones.
Okay.
Yep.
Very cool. I mean, you did a great job. I mean, I guess. Oh, you even added little things for above the storage shelf up there. Little sliding doors.
Yep. There's storage here. These are the window covers.
Oh, those are window covers. Yeah.
Actually, there's
There's
more
another
plugs
outlet.
up here. Joey did not mess around with the plugs.
Apparently. Well, again, he was making this for an editor
Yes.
or a team, so there's going to be a lot.
For the AC.
Okay.
A remote for the lights.
And then, how's the heater turned on and off?
The heater, there's a little button in here to turn it on and off.
A little Bosco button?
Yep.
I'm sure there is, yeah.
Right here.
Okay.
We've got.
All the fuses, all the things?
Yep.
Yeah.
And he even added this thing that in the winter time, there's like a heater to heat up the gas.
Oh, okay.
So that way it runs better.
Well, I usually end this by like, where can we find you? But you are a pretty private person, so you're going to just tell me the Facebook link.
Yeah, so I think I'm just going to give you the Facebook Marketplace link.
Okay.
And have people just check out there and then contact me that way.
Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to give you a couple other sites to list on. I've got a couple friends in the van life world, as you just learned, and we're going to get this sold for you.
I have no doubt.
All right, everybody. People always ask, oh, why don't you see the price online? Because listen, when it's a used van for sale, the prices are subject to change. So I don't want to say the number, whether it's 65, 70,000, whatever it is, because maybe Lena's going to drop it to 59. And I don't want to say a number like a 65 and then Lena drop it to 59. And then everybody's like, well, I thought it was one price. So go check the link if you guys are really interested. Stop being like that. I gotta say it.
That was so dad of you.
That was so dad of me? I don't even have kids. All right, well, thank you again. Thank you for showing me your rig and meeting with me over at the amazing Cathedral Park in St. John's, right outside of Portland. So
we were lucky we got a good day.
We got a good day.
Didn't rain on us.
No rain. It's a little chilly, but we're used to it up here in Portlandia. Alrighty. Well, thank you again, Lena.
You're welcome. Thank you for contacting me and making it happen. I'm excited.
Let's go.
Let's go.